Did you know that the vitamins you take every morning probably cost less than $3 to make? Yet, you're likely paying $40, $50, or even $60 for that same bottle. Today, I'm exposing the dirty secret the supplement industry doesn't want you to know: the massive 10 times markup. Most big brands aren't charging you for better ingredients. They're charging you for expensive celebrity endorsements, fancy retail shelf space, and layers of greedy middlemen. It's a multi-billion-dollar system designed to keep you overpaying for your health. But there's a better way. Imagine a wholesale club, like Costco, but specifically for the highest quality health and wellness products on the planet. No markups, no middlemen, just pure, life-changing supplements at the actual cost it takes to make them. You can finally stop being a victim of the supplement scam and start getting the results you deserve without breaking the bank. Check the link in the description to see how you can join the club and start saving today. Your health shouldn't be a luxury you can't afford. Stop overpaying and start living good.